The generator provides 110 power like the outlets in your house. Hooking up to shore power does the same thing. However, there might be a time where you can't hook up to shore power, so you use the generator. In order to turn the generator on, you'd use the panel here. But wait, you need to check to make sure it's safe first. Go ahead and walk outside and check near the generator exhaust. It gets kind of hot, so you want to make sure that there's nothing combustible out there. As well, it's a good idea to close that bedroom window because you don't want that warm air traveling up into the coach. In order to start it, you simply hold the start button down until you hear the generator come on. You will know that you have power once you hear the transfer switch click in the back of the coach. Once that happens, you can run your air conditioner, your microwave, and all of your 110 outlets. When you're finished, simply hold the stop button down until you no longer hear the generator running. In order to maintain a healthy generator, be sure to check the maintenance schedule that's included in your manual and your info case.